We have a new package. Ishikawa high quality solder. This is soldering lead. Ishikawa soldering lead. 0.8 mm in size, 60-40. 40% lead, one roll. Okay, and then so this is 0.8 in, let us this is Quickmelt. So this is 0.8 millimeter in size. Good for soldering a PCB or any IC. Let us test the quality. We have the PCB and then so this is Quickmelt. You can see here it's so easy to solder, and the soldering is shiny. You see here, it's glossy, shiny. Using 303 degrees Celsius temperature while soldering this PCB. So I'm using this 0.8 mm. Usually I'm using the 0.8 millimeter with the temperature of 303 degrees centigrade in the soldering station. So we have now a new package, Ishikawa high quality solder, 0.8 mm, 60-40.